Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CheKesha Simms, and I am back with a decorate with me in my Hobonichi weeks, and I will be decorating my monthly layout for the month of September. Now I know it's a little bit early, but I wanted to get this out now in the event that you wanted to grab this kit so you can put it in your planner. This is not a printable, this is a purchase and shipped item, so I definitely wanted you all to be able to have the opportunity to get this really fast. And it comes from Station Stickers, and if you saw my Etsy haul, you would have seen this kit in there. So before we get started, I do want to give a special shout out to one of my new subscribers, and that's Torbert and Co. Thanks, girl, for rocking with me. I definitely appreciate it. You being a subscriber here is not just a number, it's a real thing. I love each and every one of my subscribers, and hey, you decided to join the family, so welcome, welcome, welcome. And if this is your first time watching and you want to get a shout out in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is drop a purple heart in the description or the comments box so I know that you're new, and you never know, you might get a shout out. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this month's decorate with me for the month of September. All right, before we begin, I do want to just show you a flashback. Well, we're still actually in August, but this is my August setup in which I got this kit from one of my favorite sticker shops, and that's Kaden Mom's shop. I love getting her kits, but she didn't have a September one out yet, and I was kind of getting antsy because I really wanted to go ahead and get started. I want to try to do my monthly setups a little bit early, and I ran across this shop by just typing in the search engine monthly Hobonichi kits. But never fear, I have not left my girl alone. I will be going and checking her out for October. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to attempt to do a talk through video while I do this because this kit is very simple. I don't have to do a lot of laying down individual date dots and all of those things. So let's see how this pans out. All right, so what I'm going to go ahead and do first is to lay the sidebar, which has the month on there. And I'm not sure if these are removable or not, but we're going to go ahead and try to take our time and do this. And so I always like to cover up the 9. And typically with most of your kits that you get that is size for that actual planner, it normally does cover up that section. So let's see, I feel like it's a little bit off, but we're gonna rock with it. And these pages are so thin, you have to be so careful. All right, oh, this is neat. I never saw it with the 30 by itself at the bottom. That's neat. I'm surprised it doesn't have the full part like that. Okay, so anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and keep laying down stickers. So I do, let's see, let's go ahead and lay the days of the week as I deconstruct this kit. It'll probably make it easier for me to see what the format is. So we're gonna go ahead and, because I'm not sure if these are like the bottom ones or no. I think they are though. But let's go ahead and just lay these first. So one thing that I'm loving about getting kits for my monthly spreads, it takes away the guessing game in regards to, you know, figuring out what sticker would be best and getting the right washi and all of those things. Like, for real, I really don't have the time and effort to do all of that sometimes. Sometimes I want it simple and easy. I want you to have it already customized. Okay, so these are removable, so that is good to know. You know, having it customized exactly for that kit is perfect because, you know, even though I like to cut stuff up, that sounds crazy. Even though I like to cut my stickers and all of that, sometimes I just, you know, when it comes to my monthly spread, I just really don't have the time and energy because a lot of times I don't fill in a lot of stuff, but I do still want to have it decorated, you know, because it's pretty. And this kit is giving me so much life. Like, I am loving the foil. So let's go ahead and see. I feel like these boxes go here, so let's try it out and see. I think my next thing I'm going to try is foiling. I do have a black laser jet printer. Okay, no, that doesn't go there. I do have a black laser jet printer that I don't know where this goes. Maybe it go right here. Y'all, okay, it goes up here. I do have a black laser jet printer that I can use because I have a lot of printable kits that I get that I can do the foiling on. But one, I don't have a mink. Okay, I see where these go. These go right here. I don't have a mink printer to do it, but I did see a young lady on Insta stories. She showed how to do it using your laminator. Oh my gosh, can y'all see those little specks, them little flakes of gold? Oh my gosh. All right, anyway, I kind of was thrown off when trying to figure out what stickers go here because this one box by itself kind of threw me off. But like I said, once I started pulling the stickers, I can kind of see what goes where. So these bottom boxes with the gold etching around it, look at that. Can somebody look at this in my Kevin Hart voice? Can somebody look at this? So yeah, so oh, and then this one goes there. Okay, come through sticker. I mean, I'm saying the name backwards. Station Stickers. I see you. Okay, I like that. I like her a lot. So yeah, so I don't know what I was saying, but this kit, I hope she have this. Yeah, so anyway, this is making me want to go ahead and start foiling my stickers. So now I guess my next question is, who has the best foil? Like, I have a silhouette. Okay, this is just a little too short. I have a silhouette, so I don't know if I have to get a certain type of foil or it just doesn't matter. Because basically all she did was she took, once she printed it, then she ran it back through the laser jet print, not the laser, yeah, the laser jet printer. And then she, oh no, that goes there maybe. No, that's the first. Oh my gosh, this kit is amazing. I'm sorry I'm digressing, but this is why I don't do talk throughs. Because these are by themselves, they have their own little individual strip, and I love that. And y'all know this sells me every time. If I can get a kit that has date strips for the Hobonichi, I'll probably be ordering it all the time because, like I said, even though I love these other kits that I get, having to lay these individual stickers is time consuming, and it really doesn't take that long to do you know, a monthly spread. This kit right here, this one came from, these ones came from, I want to say Ashley Luvs. I'm not sure, but I love these because they did come with the strips, or did they? Nope, I had to put the date dots on there. This one came with the strips. I don't know which one that, but anyway, I'm all over the place. But yeah, so I think I might invest in buying some foil. So my question to you guys that are foilers, what is the best foil to buy to use to run through the laminator, because basically what the young lady did, she printed the stickers with the design, then she ran it back through the laser jet with the foil markings, and then she put the foil on top of the sticker paper, and then she took 2 sheets of paper and kind of like sandwiched in the printable, because it is a laminator. You don't want the foil to melt. Okay, it's right here. Girl, I was about to put this on the wrong day. I would have been fit to be tied. So yeah, I love how they do the breakdown. Like, this kit is set up how I normally would lay my monthly stuff. I like to go down this side first and then go over there. So this is amazing. So anyway, yeah. So I might do that because, you know, as much as I love to buy all the things, I have to realize that I have financial goals that I have to meet. Not that I want to, I have to meet. And if I don't make those goals, I'm going to be working for the rest of my life. And, you know, I've said before in the past, I'm approaching the 4th quarter of my life. And it's so crazy because my husband's big brother, spiritual brother, you know, shared that with him. Like, you don't think about each quarter of your life. You know, a lot of us are still living in our 2nd quarter mentally, and we're approaching, you know, either halftime or we're actually at the end of our 3rd quarter, because, you know, the word of God says, you know, what is it? 40 years and 2 scores or something like that. Like, if you live to 65, that's a blessing. Like, that is a true blessing. So once you hit 65, you in your last quarter, and I'm closer to my last quarter than I am halftime. I'm 45, so 20 more years, I'm there. So I have to make sure that I'm, you know, spending smarter. A lot of times, I know for myself, and I know a lot of other people, we use have the mentality like, well, I work hard for my money. I don't buy nothing else. Buying stickers and stuff, that ain't gonna hurt me. But it can when you buying a whole lot of stickers and you ain't using them. So, you know, I'm still operating in my 2019 goal, no more hoarding. The only things that I really have bought more of were Hobonichi kits, because I haven't, you know, this is my first time having a Hobonichi. And so I did kind of need Hobonichi kits, but now that I know how to print them myself, you know, I'm still shopping with shops, but I'm saving me some coins because I'm able to pay less when I am doing that. This is gorgeous already. So yeah, I hear my husband coming in, and I'm gonna keep things rolling. So we do have a birthday on the 18th. And I'm gonna put this right here. This is my bonus son's birthday. Now I don't really technically have to fly anywhere, but the Planning to Better Me retreat is the 26th of September. So since it's local, I'm gonna be driving there. So I'm gonna put this little car right here. And let's see, these are some books, and since here in Richmond, Virginia, back to school is the day after Labor Day, the 3rd, I'm gonna put these books right here. Let's see what else we have. Oh, you know what? I'm going to actually move this and put this on Labor Day, since this is like confetti, it's like celebration. So I'm gonna put that there. And then the birthday gift, I'm gonna put on the birthday boy section. And this is my bonus son's baby birthday. So let's see what else. I don't have a pet, but I do like this calendar. So I am going to put this, let's see, what do I need to mark? Let's just put this here because it's a reminder it's the end of the month. And y'all know I hate that I can't use everything because there's only a few stickers here. I don't have a pets. Let's see, do I have any packages? I guess what I can do is just cut this little section out and store it in my little pocket here. This is where I keep like some little extra things. Let's see what I can do with these little extras since I have some gold. So let's put this new release because I am on the Villa Beautiful design team, and she does do her releases on the 3rd Thursday of every month, I believe. So let's see. Let's just put, I don't want to assume because normally it's on the 15th and that's on a Sunday. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to, I want to put this down. I'll just save this. Yeah, boo, hiss. Cause I really want to use this. I'll save this for later. But we're gonna take this little girl with the flowers and we go put it right here because it's the beginning of September, new months, new beginnings, and I don't have any injuries. So that's that. I'm not gonna even do anything else because just the foiling by itself makes this super cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. Come on, y'all, say it with me in honor of my sister, Lisa Mack. Say it with me. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Shake your shoulders. So you guys, this is it. This is my monthly setup using a sticker kit from Station Stickers. I hope you enjoyed it. I will leave the name of her shop as well down in the description box, along with a lot of other shops that I have down below. So if you've enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Give me a big old thumbs up. And as well, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel by clicking that red button and clicking the notification bell so you will never miss any of my videos. And as well, if this video has inspired you, make sure you go ahead and share this with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, loves, peace.